today I'm going to be reviewing one of the Montagne Jeunesse. Wasn't Seven Heaven? Okay, it's just Montagne Jeunesse mask. This one is in cotton. It's like a cotton mask. I already tried the peel-off masks. I don't know if you know them. They're quite famous. That's why I said Seven Heaven. I thought this was the brand. Well, and I really like the peel-off masks. So when I saw this one that is like cotton and apply it on your face and it looks really fancy and nice, I decided to buy it and try it. So let's try it together. So the price is like really cheap. It's like €1.50. 50 cents. So yeah, like the other ones basically, because also the peel-off masks are like €1.40, something like that, which is good. So you need to first cleanse your face, then apply it and wait 5 to 10 minutes, then massage and rinse your face. So I already took off all my foundation and clean my face, so we're going to try it straight away. So nice smell, but it's actually like oh, that's actually kind of creepy. It's kind of Hannibal Lecter. Oh, which side do I have to put this? I think it's the same. They actually build it for super giant faces. I mean, it's huge. I need to adjust it a little bit. The first thing that I'm noticing is that it doesn't stick on your face completely either. That's so funny. So you need to press a little bit. I found my next Halloween costume. Super cheap and easy. That's sort of weird because it doesn't stick completely, so and it is like it's going to fall off. Okay, I will try to wait 5 to 10 minutes like that, trying to not get out of my apartment, of course, and I will be back to you in 10 minutes. Yeah, so I just removed the cotton mask and I have to say that my skin feels really fresh. Really fresh, and I kind of feel more awake, maybe just because the mask was kind of cold. Anyway, my skin looks really fresh, and yeah, I think it's nice. The effect is quite nice. Makes your skin feel fresh and clean. And it was quite funny actually. It's not really comfortable to wear because sometimes it kind of fall off here and here, but for just €1.50. So I suggest to give it a try at least. It's cheap, so you can just buy it and try it. So thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel and check my other videos and leave a comment if you like this video or if you have tried this Hannibal Lecter mask. See you! I will eat you in your lungs.